Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture on MCQs in health and well-being. Definition of health is given by WHO includes which of the following dimensions? Definition of health is a physical, mental and social well-being and even economical well-being. So this includes social, physical, mental and economic dimensions. Standard of living includes all except. So, standard of living includes income, sanitation and nutrition, level of provision of health. It does not include human rights. Actually, standard of living includes income, occupation, standard of housing, sanitation, nutrition, provision of health, education, recreation and other services. Standard of living depends on per capita GNP, whereas the human rights is present in level of living, not in standard of living. Then question 3. Living standards are best assessed. Living standards of people are best assessed by physical quality of life index. Living standards of people are best assessed by physical quality of life index. Human living standards can be compared with different countries with the help of Human Development Index. Human Development Index helps us to compare the human living standards with different countries. Then, questions on physical quality of life index. We will see them. First, Human Development Index does not include. First, we will see what the Human Development Index includes. It has three components. Knowledge. Knowledge includes expected year of schooling, mean year of schooling and education index. If you see income, income includes per capita GNI index. Then longevity includes life expectancy at birth. Whereas in the options, life expectancy at age 1 is given. Life expectancy at age 1 year is a component of physical quality of life index. Then question 5. All of the following indicators are included in physical quality of life index except physical quality of life index includes life expectancy at 1 year, infant mortality rate and literacy. Per capita income is present in Human Development Index, not in physical quality of life index. Then, physical quality of life index considers. See, these are same. Physical quality of life index considers expectancy of life at age 1, infant mortality rate and literacy rate. Okay, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Next, minimum and maximum values established for calculation of life expectancy index in Human Development Index are. See, minimum values and maximum values of life expectancy, if you see, minimum value is 20 years whereas maximum value is 85 years for life expectancy. It is 25 and 85 years. Next, Human Development Index values ranges between 0 to 1 and for India, Human Development Index value is 0.647. Physical Quality of Life Index. PQLI stands for Physical Quality of Life Index. All of the following are determinants for essential components to calculate physical quality of life index except. Remember, physical quality of life index includes life expectancy at 1 year, infant mortality rate and literacy. So in this, the physical quality of life index includes infant mortality rate, life expectancy at 1 year and literacy rate. Life expectancy at birth is a feature of Human Development Index. Then the next question. Human Development Index includes life expectancy at birth. Human Development Index includes life expectancy at birth. Physical Quality of Life Index includes literacy rate, infant mortality rate, and life expectancy at 1 year, not birth. Income is seen in Human Development Index. Human Development Index includes life expectancy at birth, adult literacy rate, and GDP. Then next question. Physical Quality of Life Index includes infant mortality rate, life expectancy at 1 year, and literacy rate. All of the following are included in Human Development Index except Human Development Index includes life expectancy at birth, education, and gross domestic product, whereas life expectancy at 1 year is seen in Physical Quality of Life Index. Not included in Human Poverty Index is occupation. In Human Poverty Index, it includes percentage of population surviving up to 40 years. It also includes underweight for age and percentage of population not using safe water supply. Then, age limit for Human Development Index in India is 25 to 85 years. The value of Human Development Index in India, the value has been changed now. It is 0.647 now according to 2018. Human Poverty Index does not include income. It includes long life, knowledge, and standard of living. Physical Quality of Life Index includes infant mortality rate, life expectancy, and literacy. Most universally accepted indicator of health status of whole population and their socio-economic status among the following is infant mortality rate. Most universally accepted health indicator for whole population and their socio-economic conditions is infant mortality rate. So you will see some more bits. Yes, Human Development Index include the following except Human Development Index includes adult literacy rate, life expectancy at birth, and income. It does not include infant mortality rate. Then next question. Physical Quality of Life Index includes infant mortality rate, literacy, and life expectancy at age 1. It does not include maternal mortality rate. Physical Quality of Life Index includes infant mortality rate, life expectancy at age 1, and literacy rate. GDP per capita is a component of Human Development Index. Human Development Index comprises of 3 things: knowledge, income, and longevity. Knowledge is literacy, income, and longevity. Human Development Index includes knowledge, longevity. GDP is nothing but income. Sex ratio is not a component of Human Development Index. Human Development Index includes longevity, knowledge, and income. Indicators of health. Mortality indicator is life expectancy is a mortality indicator. So, we will see indicators of health in the next class. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.